Good afternoon, my dear students and all my viewers. Today our chapter is derivative of composite function. Derivative of composite function. Okay. Exercise 6.5 from the book Emelagro. See the composite function given. You have to find out derivative. Question number 1. Find derivative of the following function with respect to x. Question given, y is equal to number 1 first part, y is equal to 2x minus 1 root over. This is the question given, y is equal to 2x minus 1 root over. Therefore dy by dx, that is d by dx of 2x minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 2 as it is root over given. First one is when this is x to the power 1 by 2 given root over. Root over is power half. Power will come first here half. Again 2x minus 1 whole to the power half minus 1 into derivative of this bracket part. Therefore this is equal to composite function. First you have to find a derivative with respect to power. Then after that derivative of inside the bracket what is written, that is 2x minus 1. This is equal to chain rule. It is coming half 2x minus 1. What is the power coming? Half minus 1 means minus half. The derivative of 2x is only 2 and this one is 0. It's 2. Now this 2 cancel. Final answer will be 1 by 2x minus 1 root over, means 1 by 2 means root over. And this is the answer of number 1 first part. This is a composite function given, you have to find out derivative. The second part question given, y is equal to 4x cube minus 5x square plus 9 whole to the power 4. First we have to find derivative with respect to the power 4. Therefore dy by dx, if the power is 4 means you think this is x to the power 4. X to the 4 is 4x cube. 4x cube means 4x cube minus 5x square plus 9 whole to the power 3. Power will be 1 less. Power will come here, then power 1 less, that means 4 minus 1 3. Again derivative of this bracket part, that is d by dx of 4x cube minus 5x square plus 9. So finally how much we are getting? This is 4x cube minus 5x square plus 9 whole cube. So what is the derivative of 4x cube? That will be 12x square. And minus this will be 5 to the 10x. And this is the answer. Okay. Let us go one more question. Question number 2, first part. Question given, y is equal to sine of x square plus 1. And you have to find out dy by dx. Means dy by dx of sine of x square plus 1. First of all, you have to find out derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is how much? Cos. Means cos x square plus 1. Again, you have to find out derivative of x square plus. This is called chain rule. First of all, you think this is sine x. Derivative is cos x. Which one is taking as x? Again, derivative of this part. Now, finally, you get what is the derivative x square? 2x, and this is 0. That means 2x. I'm writing first 2x cos x square plus. This is the answer. Number 2, second part. Question given, y is equal to e to the power cos root x. Then find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e to the power cos root x. So what is the derivative of e to the power x? You think this is e to the power x, that means e to the power same cos of root x. Again derivative of cos root x. The derivative of cos x is what? Minus sine root x. that means minus e to the power cos root x, and this is sine of root x. Again derivative of root x. First you have to find out derivative of e to the power, then cos, then root x. So what is the derivative of root x? 1 by root over x. So finally you are getting answer minus e to the power cos root x into sine root x. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root over x. And this is the answer. In this way, number 2, second part also completed, is composite derivative of composite function. Let us go one more question. Question number 3, first part it is given y is equal to x into cot cube x. You have to apply here product rule. It means x is the first function, cot cube x is the second function. Therefore, dy by dx will be first function into derivative of cot cube x plus cot cube x means second function into derivative of x by using product rule. So what is the derivative of cot cube x? That will be 3 cot square x. 3 cot square x, and this x is present already, x right here. 3x cot square x. Again derivative of cot x, that will be minus cos square x, minus right here, minus cos square x. First of all, let's find out for power cot cube, that will be 3 cot square x, and this x present here. And again derivative of cot x, that is minus cos square x, minus sign is here. And derivative x is 1, that will be 1 into cot cube x. And this is the answer. Okay, in this way, few questions today are completed regarding derivative of composite function. Thank you for today's class.